Does it get awkward when I stand really close to you? Sorry. Yeah, you better leave. Yeah, get out of here. I just want to use my damn girl. Cash money, cash money, money, cash money. Alright, let's go this way. Let's go. Y'all ain't see nothing. Oh, kill him! Glove box loot. Meds. Oh god. Alright, y'all watching this? This is gonna be tight. Oh yeah! Burning rubber dog, let's go! Oh shit, get out of the way, get out of the way. Let's go! Woo! Oh, that was so perfect. Sorry, people. You can actually hear people. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Oh shit, I got a criminal record. Oh. I got a criminal record. Oh.
911, what is your emergency?
Oh no.
Where you going? Oh, you trying to play me, huh? You gonna play me a little bit? Sorry, you be back. You be back.
Going for a drive in my pickup truck. Oh, this super gangster hippie music though. I mean, fucking hillbilly. Jesus. God damn it, why do I have to be on the other side? Too easy, mate. Oh, we don't need no ramps. Sorry guys, just need to make my way through here.